Hi everyone, this is Will, aka Dr. Financial Literacy. Welcome. I am, and as a disclaimer, I'm a political experimental economist. I look at society and how it interacts. But for the most recent part, I've been running financial experiments, learning more outside of the political arena in terms of my business and in terms of just informing the public. So one of the things that I've been trying to do was incorporate possibly cash advances into my strategy of financial literacy. This started from not being able to obtain a home equity line of credit because of the business debt that I'm carrying. Also, I tried to get a personal loan, but then they looked and saw all the credit checks that I had done on the HELOC, which the law of Dodd-Frank, I think, Act allows you to have multiple inquiries, but I think it can work against you. So today I just wanted to look at cash advance, again, more particular. I just spoke with Capital One. That would be one of the companies that I potentially use the cash advance. I have 4 cards with cash with Capital One in general. And I'm going to put those 4 cards on the screen. See if I can share that right quick. Okay, so these are my 4 cards that I currently have with Capital One, and I'm looking to use a velocity strategy with them in terms of pulling off cash advance. So for all 3 cards, one of the things that I had to do was, first of all, align my statements, my due date. So they all had 4 different due dates in general, and that was a little difficult to remember. So I called today and I lined them all on the 7th. So now all 4 cards are on the 7th in general. So look at your credit cards and see if you can align your due dates to be the same so it can help you with your payments. In terms of the cash advance, they all offer cash advance and they all have cash limits. Walmart has 1,000, Quicksilver, I think 500. My Business Spark has 5,000, and a Savoy card, I think that has 1,000. They all 3 of the cards, Quicksilver, Spark, and Savoy card, come with a fee. So last month I used a cash advance from Navy Federal and Capital One just to see how the system works and to be able to inform my clients and my viewers of how it works. Here, when I looked at my statement, there was 3%, $3 or 3% greater is a cash advance fee. For this particular one, I had to pay $9.09 for the cash advance fee. I paid $3 for the ATM fee, and then I paid $8.49 for the interest. Now this was just on the Spark business card because I was just testing the cash advance so I can inform you, the viewer, of some of the pros and the cons. I was able to pay that $300 back in general. But one of the things on the card is that if I already have a balance on the card and then I make, I have the cash advance outstanding, they're going to pay the lower interest card first before the higher cash advance. So definitely be aware of it. So if I had $1,000 already on this blue Spark card, then I took out a cash advance of $1,000, it's going to have a higher rate, but they're going to pay off that first balance off at a lower rate before they get to the higher cash advance. I aligned the dates. I did that minimum APR. Okay. Now I'm looking to try to get cash off of the card. I can't directly transfer from any one of the cards. I have to, there's 2 different systems going on here. I'm sorry. The Walmart card is separate from the other 3 Capital One cards. So I had to talk to someone else at Walmart, and that was a good experience because I learned a lot of good things. But in terms of the business part card, if I want to get cash from that, the Savoy or the Quicksilver card, I can go to ATM, I can go in person to another bank, or I can go through third parties. They said they included PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, or a bank transfer. And all of those would include a fee. So right now, the business spark card has $5,000 on it. And if I take out the max 2,500 cash advance, I will end up paying $75 for the cash advance fee, $3 for the ATM fee, and then I'm only limited to $400 a day from the card. So if I want more, I need to go inside of a banking institution and do it based on what they just indicated. Okay, now let's go back to the Walmart card. The Walmart card is different from the 3 Capital One cards. My limit on the card is $1,000, but I can reduce all the fees associated with the card by doing this. I can only take out $100 at a Walmart terminal, but I think the operator said that I need to spend over 8 cents. I think it was 8 cents that I need at a minimum. So I'm gonna go today to Walmart. I'm gonna go to a terminal, buy something that's over $1. Then I'm gonna get the $100 cash advance because I'm only limited to $100 within Walmart. If I pay that off before the statement due date, then there's no interest and no fees, and I just got a $300 cash advance that I can take and place on another higher interest rate card. Now, definitely that seems like some movement in money, but it's a strategy that I am using, or I will attempt to use, and then report back to you as to how it went. And if I talk to my clients, I will mention this as a strategy, and if this is something that they would be interested in. But that's at least, I will have to make 3 different purchases. I'm gonna make them over $1. That's $300 cash. Then I'll deposit it into one of the bank accounts that I have the highest interest credit card. Now I'm paying 32% interest. So if I can use that $300 to reduce the daily balance that they're charging me before my statement date, then yeah, it's well worth it in general. So I'm gonna attempt this as a strategy, and just wanted to let you know what I was doing today. I know the Super Bowl is going on, but these are strategies that I really want to just mention to others as I increase my financial literacy. Thank you very much for stopping by today. I'm gonna go over to Walmart, make these purchases, and see how this experiment go, and report back to you. All right, thank you very much, everybody. Y'all have a great day.